Good morning, everyone. Share India was incorporated in 1994 and became a broker member of NSE in 2010. Today, as Share India boasts of being a full-fledged financial service company with the NBFC, insurance broking, mutual fund distribution, merchant banking, and other allied services in its fold. It has currently presence in over 14 states with more than 1,300 employees. I would also like to welcome our distinguished panel members who have had a big hand in our success over the last 1 decade. That includes Shri Vikram Limai, MD NSE, Shri Anand Mankodi from HDFC Bank, Shri Manish Jain from ICICI Bank, and Mr. Chetan from Axis Bank, and Mr. Ashok from Globe Capital, who is also our clearing member. All these people have acted as a guiding light and a sounding board for our senior management in times of need and have been a really inspirational figure for us over the last 1 decade. Now, as the tradition in India that all good things becomes on an auspicious note, I would kindly request our operations team to take us forward for the virtual lamp lighting and Ganesh Stuti. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. Thank you. Now, I would request our joint MD, Sri Kamlesh Shah, to kindly take over the mic and speak a few words about the company and its growth story.
Thank you, Abhinav. Good morning, respected Vikram Livaiji, dignitaries on panel, and distinguished guests. Thank you for your participation in large number. Your support is energy for us. Journey of listing started with SME segment of BSE in October 2017, followed by shifting to main board of BSE in December 2019. Today, we are privileged to be listed on the main board of NSE. We are thankful to the management of BSE and NSE for giving us an opportunity to be listed on two premier exchanges, BSE being Asia's oldest exchange and NSE the world's largest derivative exchange. Listing has provided wings to our success with threefold increase in market capitalization from 100 crores at the time of SME listing to over 300 crores as of now in span of less than 3 years. Accountability to public has made us more focused on our performance. We have delivered CAGR of more than 30% in revenue and more than 45% in PAT consistently over last 5 years. Recently published accounts for June quarter shows growth of 85% in revenue and 145% in profit. We have transformed ourselves from equity broking firm to full-fledged financial service group with foray in NBFC, insurance broking, investment banking, currency and commodity derivatives, with an eye on overseas trading through GIFT City, IFSC, and wholly on Singapore-based subsidiary, Share India Global Private Limited. Today, we have sizable volume in all exchange-traded products. We have more than 5% market share in equity and currency derivatives, 8 to 10% in commodity derivatives, and around 20% in GIFT City. All this was possible with your trust, state-of-art technology platform, and robust risk management system. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our bankers for their timely assistance and being a valuable assets to our company. With the kind of volume and trades, we sincerely admire our clearing member Globe for their contribution in carrying out operations smoothly. We would like to appreciate the amount of efforts put in by employees, which has helped us to achieve our goals. We humbly consider this as a new beginning and shall work in the interest of all the stakeholders. Our industry is transforming, throwing new challenges and opportunities. With well-balanced management, we foresee stable and bright future for your company. Thanks to Team NSE for so well organized listing ceremony. Over to you, Abhinav.
Thank you, sir. Now I would kindly request Sri Vikram Limai, MD NSE, to kindly speak a few words and give us his opinion about the company. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kamlesh Shah, Mr. Sachin Gupta, and other dignitaries present. Good morning and a very warm welcome to all on this auspicious occasion of the listing of Share India Securities on NSE. NSE is pleased to welcome Share India Securities to our family of listed companies. Not long ago, we witnessed the company getting listed on the SME platform. It is encouraging to see them upgrade to the main board platform in such a short period of time. NSE has a long-standing relationship with Share India Securities as an intermediary in the Indian capital markets. Financial inclusion is a national priority. An inclusive financial system will translate to stronger and more sustainable economic growth and development. Globally, we are seeing a digital revolution which will also drive financial literacy and pave the way for sustainable financial inclusion. Also, NSE is determined to make financial products accessible to all individuals and businesses. Listing on NSE is a significant milestone for Share India, and we do hope that this marks the beginning of a new chapter for the company, where it advances its business and also expands its investor base. We're extremely happy to host all of you here as you embark on this new journey and wish you the very best for the future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Those were really kind words. And rest assured, what you have spoken about financial inclusion and digital revolution is a top priority for the company. And company will keep working on its technology to upgrade and include as many people from different stratas of society as possible. Now, as we await for the listing proceedings to proceed, I would request Shri Sachin Gupta ji to kindly take over and give his vote of thanks for all the dignitaries and all the people who are responsible for the growth of the company. Over to you, sir, Sachin sir.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Vikram sir and all the distinguished guests on the and off the panel. First of all, I would like to thank the entire NSE team for the run-up to this memorable listing ceremony. This is the big stepping stone for the company. We are grateful to all our well-wishers who showered us with their blessings. In 2017, when we first got listed on BSE SME platform, we never thought that within a span of 3 years, we'll be listed on the main board of both NSE and BSE. This is an achievement which will be cherished forever. So if I look back at the 10-year journey of Share India, technology has played a vital role in the growth and success of the company. We believe that technology will remain an important pillar of growth in coming years also. Sir, we are blessed to have a great tech team, in-house tech team, who are supporting us in every challenge we are facing. Keeping in mind the future changing dynamics and the future challenges, we have already ventured into the new financial segment like NBFC, insurance distribution, and merchant banking. This will give Share India a more sustainable base. Sir, we recognize the vital role by our bankers, HDFC, Axis, and ICICI, and especially by our clearing member, Globe Capital, who help us to reach where we are today. We take this opportunity to thank our investors who place their trust on us, our employees who are the key to our success. We appreciate their hard work and dedication. They work tirelessly. I would also like to thank our associate clients and all the traders without whom this success would not have been possible. We ensure full transparency and promise to work to the best of our ability to serve the interest of all our stakeholders. Although this moment is really memorable for all of us, but we as a company believe that this is just the start of the journey. I assure that Share India will work tirelessly day and night to make our company fly to the amazing heights in the coming year. A big thank to all the participants who take out their time so early in the morning to part in this ceremony. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations to the entire management team and to Share India for a fantastic listing.
Thank you, sir. I would now request that the certificate of listing may be displayed on the screen. We are thankful to NSE team for wonderful listing ceremony and our allowing to be participated on NSE main board platform. I would request Mr. Anand Mankodi of HDFC Bank to give his blessings.
Well, first of all, heartiest congratulations, Praveenji, Sachinji, Sahib. A big congratulations to Share India. And I would like to just say two things. It's been a wonderful experience from HDFC Bank side, having associated with Share India and Total for so many years put together. I would like to just say one thing. When the company is not listed, it's like you living in a small bungalow or in a villa. Now that you get listed, you're becoming a part of a large gated community. You're no longer alone. You have a large family. You become more responsible, more honorable, more transparent. So all the best to you. And heartiest congratulations once again from HDFC Bank. Thank you.
Thank you, Anandji, for kind words. And we will follow all your tips. It was really valuable for us on this particular occasion. Thank you so very much. Now I would request Mr. Manish Jain to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Heartiest congratulations to Share India and Total who had merged with Share India. So, Kamlesh Bhai, Sachin Bhai, everyone. Only one thing I would say, a star was born around 25 years back and is shining today on Indian capital markets. And we would like to see you on the global exchanges as well. So, heartiest congratulations and best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Manishji, for your kind words. Now I'll request Mr. Chetan Shah to say a few words about our company. He has been associated with us for a long time.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Vikram. Good morning, Kamlesh Bhai, everybody. Let me first and foremost share with you, start my congratulatory speech with a Gujarati proverb. Putrana lakshan parnethi and vahuna lakshan barnethi. It means that whenever a kid, on the basis of his playfulness in the cradle, you come to know how good what this particular kid is going to do in his life. Similarly, why this moment is not only important for Kamlesh Bhai, Sachinji, but personally for me, because I may be the only person present over here today who has done his first payout of the Total Securities has gone through me. And when it was a great day for me some 20 years back, that I was with ICICI Bank. Manish, I was your counterpart out there. And it was a great day for us also that when we kick-started our operations at ICICI Bank, and at a time we got 4 settlement accounts, and one of them was the Total Securities. So that was the beginning of the Total Securities at that point of time. There was, when I moved to HDFC Bank, there was another playful kid also. I got it in the name of Share India. It was a slightly bigger one. And it was again a great journey that I got an opportunity within my said organizations to take care of this both organizations in a big way. And today when I am with Axis Bank, I would have never thought of in my life that I would get this again an opportunity, that today these two big organizations are again merging themselves, becoming bigger, and today they are listed on the biggest stock exchange of the world. I would put it like this in my sense, on NSE. It's really a great opportunity for me to partner them along with my so-called 3 institutes, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and now with Axis Bank. With this, I would once again thank Kamlesh Bhai, Praveenji, Vijay Bhai, Sachinji, and everybody, and request them to invite all of us to meet all your aspirational global exchanges, listing goals, and call all of us at maybe at NYSE, NASDAQ, maybe in a period of say 3 years or shorter period, and we'd surely love to cater to all of you. Heartiest congratulations once again, Kamlesh Bhai, Sachinji, Vijay Bhai, Praveenji. Thank you.
Thank you, Chetan Bhai, for the wonderful memories to be replayed. We always have connect with our past, and relations have played a key role in our organizations. And we are happy to see you around us all the time and taking care of us. Now I'll invite Mr. Ashok Agrawal. They have been playing a key role for us to scale up our volume, as well as their support is very crucial. They have supported us at each and every juncture So I will request Mr. Ashok Agrawal ji to say a few words on this auspicious occasion. Thank you. I think there is some connectivity issue and we are not being able to hear him properly. But we are really thankful to Ashok ji for their continued support. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every participants to have joined us so very early in the morning.
I think in 2002, a young boy walked in our office and Parveen Gupta ji introduced him as Sachin Gupta. We were impressed with his energy and the dynamism. Today, I can say he is a well-rounded young man